that was a good one. Which knee? Let this left shoulder drop for me. Good. Okay, same thing here. Loose down low. Beautiful. Let me check your first ribs because you did a nasty tricep workout. That's tender on both sides. Turn your head this way for me. The other day. Good. That was perfect. Thank you. Reach his head this way. If you guys are watching this, you're making it this. Ooh, Jonathan. Maybe we'll do a needling video where you just needle every part of your all your trigger points in your back. They'll just put you face down and man, that was a good.
I know.
So this is really uncomfortable. Put your hands up top here. He was doing like standing skull crushers and let this drop back for me. Good, there you go. Nice and big. Now swing your legs around here. Just a little impulse. Good, same thing here. Good, little baby one there. Perfect. All right.
Deep breath in. Let it out. One more time. Deep breath in. Let it out. Deep breath in. Let it out. And it's happening for me. Good. Flip to the other side. Bottom leg straight. Top knee back. Good. Good. Flat on your back. Relax. Bring the shoulder down for me, just by. Now you sit up. Take a deep breath in. And exhale out. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Relax right there. Breath in. Let it all out. Deep breath in. Let it all out. Lay on your side and face me. Gonna bend this top knee. Good. Flip to the other side. Bend the top knee. Good. Go flat on your. So I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. One more time, deep breath in and all the way out. Stay right there. Okay, I'm gonna have you lift your head up for me. You wanna pull your hair through?
Good. Now, I want you to lock your right leg straight, lift that right leg up again. Does that feel better?
Mm-hmm.
Do the same thing on the left side now. Yep. This one still came up a little less, but didn't hurt as bad, did it?
Exactly.
There we go. Mm-hmm. That's it. Okay, just relax your leg in my hand. Put your hands on your tummy. There you go. Now you should have felt that for your knee all the way up to your pelvis. Good. Okay, same thing here. Yes, sir. Good job. Okay, let's sit you up and face that way, please, sir. There we go. And during your history, you told me you'd already received a series of 12 treatments. There we go. Oh, yeah. I don't have to ask if you felt that one all the way down. Because I know you did. Yeah, you're good. Okay. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Crack Agg's gonna love you.
Okay. So first off, when starting on feet, I typically go through and I do what's called a leg pull. So it's literally just as it sounds. You know, I'll make contact, you know, around the ankle, nothing on the foot yet, and I'll literally come through. I'll do leg pull on the left, leg pull on the right. From here, now we're starting with the base of the foot on the calcaneus. So we're going to contact down through here. The line of drive, so I'm going to be pulling with this bottom hand right through here. And I can tell she felt that move there.
Oh, I did.
Okay, same thing here. Good. I'm going to keep her leg flat on the table here. And just a nice pull here.
That felt so good.
Same thing. Good. After I adjust the talus, we're going to go through and we're going to adjust the cuneiform. So it's almost the same type of adjustment. Instead of keeping the foot and leg on the table, we're now actually lifting up. So with this, same thing there. So this is going to be pulling on the cuneiforms right through here. And I'm going to do this both bilaterally on each leg. There
Nice.
we go. Wow. We're going just straight into that table. So we want to take the foot. There we go. And that line of drive, I'm just dropping that navicular back into place here. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Good.
Contact from the PSIS, 2 inches lateral, 3 inches inferior. That's the contact for the ASIN right there. Now, when we look at it, it's more AS than IN. So I'm gonna just bring my fingers right about there. I'm gonna roll you. I got you the whole way. Roll you as a unit. And we're gonna set it down and out, just like that. Home run. Dígame, señor.
Feel lighter.
It started, because remember, we adjusted your right pelvis. I don't want to disrupt anything on that side.
Okay.
So I don't want to be pulling on your leg today, okay? I'm going to go ahead and just set this to get it going. A lot of this is going to get resolved from that pelvis, though. There you go. Stand up and walk it off, please. All right.
Feels like I can breathe better.
After a foot adjustment?
Yeah. Well,
I'm joking.
Good, right here. Just nice and easy. First adjustment. Good. Good, nice. Good.
holy smokes.
How was that, dude? And guys, we're just doing conservative adjustment here. Nice and easy. C3 on the right. I think we're gonna go C4 on the left. Yeah, C4 right here on the left. Okay, Eugene, just relax. Good. Good. Good, nice.